In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a Skrill withdrawal that's taking too long. Let's begin. First, let's set expectations. Skrill withdrawals usually take 1 to 2 business days for bank transfers and up to 5 business days depending on your bank or country. If it hasn't been that long yet, it might just be normal processing time. Now, one of the most common reasons for delays is an unverified account. You want to make sure that your ID is fully verified and have you confirmed your email and phone number, because if not, you need to complete those steps immediately. Skrill may hold withdrawals until verification is done. Next is double check your withdrawal request. Do you have the correct bank details, matching account name, no typo errors? Because even small mistakes can cause delays or trigger manual review. Sometimes Skrill flags transactions for security reasons. This can happen if you're withdrawing a large amount, you are logged in from a new device or location. If in this case, check your email for any messages from Skrill. They might need extra confirmation. And if your withdrawal has been pending for more than 3 to 5 business days, it's time to contact the support. All you have to do is submit a request with your transaction ID, clearly explain your situation, be polite, and include screenshots for faster help. And if Skrill allows it, you can cancel the pending withdrawal and try it again. Sometimes restarting the process fixes stuck transactions, especially if there was a system glitch. And that's it. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.